When war starts, most people panic. They get scared. They stop investing. They hold their money. But here's the truth. The rich, they make the most money during chaos because they understand one simple thing. Crisis is opportunity. And if you understand how money moves during war or economic crisis, you can stop losing money and start building it. So let's break this down in the simplest way possible. Whenever there's a war or global tension, the first thing that happens is fear. And when people are scared, they start selling everything. Stocks drop, markets crash, prices go down. But smart investors don't panic. They wait for this exact moment, because when prices fall, everything goes on sale. Think about it like this. If your favorite product suddenly becomes 50% cheaper, would you run away from it, or would you buy more? That's exactly how the market works. This is why experienced investors follow one powerful rule. Buy when everyone is scared. Sell when everyone is greedy. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Money doesn't disappear during war, it simply moves. And if you can track where money is flowing, you can stay ahead of 90% of people. During war, money usually flows into three major areas: energy, defense, and safe assets. Energy, especially oil, becomes extremely important because every country needs it. Transportation, military, factories, everything runs on energy. So when supply is threatened, prices go up, and when prices go up, companies in that sector make more money. The same thing happens with defense companies. Governments start spending billions on weapons, security, and technology, which means those companies grow fast during conflict. Now let's talk about safety. When uncertainty increases, people look for a place to protect their money, and one of the oldest assets in the world is gold. Gold has been trusted for hundreds of years. Why? Because it holds value when everything else feels unstable. So during crisis, many investors move their money into gold to stay safe. But here's something most people don't realize. War doesn't just affect markets. It affects your daily life. After or during conflict, governments usually spend a lot of money. And to cover that spending, they print more money. And when more money enters the system, the value of money goes down. This leads to inflation, which means everything becomes more expensive. Food, fuel, rent, everything. And if your income doesn't increase, you actually become poorer without even realizing it. Now here's the important part. What should you actually do? First, don't panic. Panic is the biggest mistake people make. Second, start small. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even small, consistent investing builds over time. Third, think long-term. Wealth is not built in one day. It's built through patience and smart decisions. And finally, invest in yourself. Skills are the one asset that no crisis can take away from you. Because if you can earn, you can always recover. Now let me give you a mindset shift that can change everything. Most people see crisis as the end. Smart people see it as the beginning. The difference between being broke and being financially free is not luck. It's how you think and how you act during difficult times. So next time you see fear in the market, don't just follow the crowd. Understand what's really happening, because that's where real opportunities are created. If you made it this far, you're already thinking differently than most people. And that's exactly how wealth starts. If you want to learn more about how money works in the real world, make sure you stick around, because in the next video, we're going to break down how you can start investing with almost no money.